Hey guys, welcome to my channel Untitled Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today another video is and today I am going to show you bootable USB drive not detect in your Samsung laptop. How to fix this problem? Follow my all steps, don't skip the video. First, insert your bootable pen drive in your laptop. Power on your laptop. Then press F10 and go to boot menu option. You can see that bootable USB drive not detect in your laptop. How to fix this problem? Follow the all steps. First, go to app menu, press tab and enter the BIOS setup. If you cannot go into BIOS setup this way, turn off the laptop. Then turn on the laptop again. Then press F2 immediately and go to BIOS setup. Go to advanced bar. Select fast BIOS mode and it is enabled. You will disable it. Select AHCI mode, it will be auto. You select the manual. Then you go to boot menu bar and select OS mode selection and select the UEFI and CSM OS. Then after they are done, press F10 and save the BIOS setting. And again press F10 and go to boot option. You can see your bootable pen drive is working on your laptop. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.